हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल वेबटेक। आज के इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग। मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में डीपली में डिस्कस किया है अपने वीडियोज़ में। आप उन वीडियोज़ को ज़रूर देखिए। मैं उन वीडियोज़ का लिंक अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी। अगर आप एक फ्रेशर हैं या आप एक्सपीरियंस हैं, अगर आप आईटी सेक्टर में आप जॉब देख रहे हैं, तो आपको ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में नॉलेज होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हर एक इंटरव्यूअर का यह एक फेवरेट टॉपिक होता है कि वो पूछते ही पूछते हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में। तो आज इस वीडियो में हम यही डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू ओप्स। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर फ्रेंड्स आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल वेबटेक को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज ओप्स कॉन्सेप्ट? ओप्स इज abbreviated as object oriented programming system in which programs are considered as a collection of objects. Each object is nothing but an instance of class. Second है, write basic features of ops concept. ऑब्स्ट्रैक्शन, इनकैप्सुलेशन, इनहेरिटेंस, पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म और भी होते हैं इसमें, क्लास एंड ऑब्जेक्ट। थर्ड है, व्हाट इज क्लास? अ क्लास इज सिंपली अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ टाइप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. इट इज द ब्लूप्रिंट, प्लान और टेम्पलेट that describe the detail of an object. Next है, what is an object? An object is an instance of class. It has the own state, behavior and identity. Next है, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is an attribute of an object and it contains all data which is hidden. That hidden data can be restricted to the members of that class. Labels are public, protected and private, internal and protected internal. ये जो पब्लिक, प्रोटेक्टेड एंड प्राइवेट है, ये एक्सेस मॉडिफायर्स होते हैं। मैंने इनके बारे में डीपली में बताया है। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म? पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म इज नथिंग बट असाइनिंग बिहेवियर और वैल्यू इन सब क्लास टू समथिंग that was already declared in the main class. Simply, polymorphism takes more than one form. Next है, what is inheritance? Inheritance is a concept where one class shares the structure and behavior defined in another class. If inheritance applied to one class is called single inheritance, and if it is depends on multiple classes, then it is called multiple inheritance. Next है, what are manipulators? Manipulators are the function which can be used in conjunction with the insertion bracket में less than and extraction bracket में greater than operators on an object. Examples are indel and setw. Next है, explain the term constructor. A constructor is a method used to initialize the state of an object and it gets invoked at the time of object creation. Rules of construction are: constructor name should be the same as the class name and constructor must have no return type. Next है, define destructor. A destructor is a method which is automatically called when the object is made of scope are destroyed. Destructor name is also named as class name but with the tilde symbol before the name. Next है, what is an inline function? An inline function is a technique used by the compilers and instructors to insert complete body of the function wherever that function is used in the program source code. Next है, what is the virtual function? A virtual function is a member function of a class and its functionality can be overridden in its derived class. This function can be implemented by using a keyword called virtual and it can be given during function declaration. Next point है, a virtual function can be declared using a token virtual in C++. It can be achieved in C Python language by using function pointers or pointers to be function. Next है, What is friend function? A friend function is a friend of a class that is allowed to access to public, private or protected data in that same class. If the function is defined outside the class, cannot access such information. Next pointer, a friend can be declared anywhere in the class declaration and it cannot be affected by access control keywords like private, public or protected. Next है, what is function overloading? Function overloading is a regular function but it can perform different tasks. It allows the creation of several methods with the same name which differ from each other by the type of input and output of the function. एग्जाम्पल है इसका void add int and amp सेमीकोलन a int mb। मतलब यहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल लिया है ए बी, उसको क्या क्या किया है कि यहाँ पे दी ऐड मतलब कि यहाँ इसका सेम मेथड नेम है बट जो पैरामीटर है वो क्या है, डिफरेंट है। मतलब यहाँ पे एक दो डबल नेम मतलब क्या हो गया, डिफरेंट हो गया। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज ऑपरेटर ओवरलोडिंग? ऑपरेटर ओवरलोडिंग इज a function where different operators are applied and depends on the arguments. Operator can be used to pass through the function and it has its own precedence to execute. Next है, what is abstract class? An abstract class is a class which cannot be initiated. Creation of an object is not possible with an abstract class, but it can be inherited. An abstract class can be contain only an abstract method. Java allows only abstract method in abstract class, while other languages allow non-abstract method as well. What is ternary operator? The ternary operator is said to be an operator which takes three arguments. Arguments and results are of different data types and it depends on the function. The ternary operator is also called a conditional operator. Next question. What is the use of finalize method? Finalize method helps to perform cleanup operations on the resource which are not currently used. Finalize method is protected and it is accessible only through the class or by a derived class. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ आर्गुमेंट्स? पहला पॉइंट है टाइप्स ऑफ आर्गुमेंट्स का। अ पैरामीटर इज अ वेरिएबल यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग द डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ द फंक्शन और सब रूटीन एंड आर्गुमेंट्स आर पास टू द फंक्शन बॉडी and it should match with parameter defined. There are two types of arguments, call by value, call by reference. Call by value passed will get modified only inside the function and it returns the same value whatever it is passed into the function. Call by reference, value passed will get modified in both inside and outside the functions and it returns the same or different values. Next question, what is the super keyword? The super keyword is used to invoke the overridden method which overrides one of its superclass methods. This keyword allows to access overridden methods and also to access hidden methods of the superclass. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है सुपर कीवर्ड का, इट ऑल्सो फॉरवर्ड ए कॉल फ्रॉम ए कंस्ट्रक्टर टू अ कंस्ट्रक्टर इन द सुपर क्लास। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज मेथड ओवरराइडिंग? Method overriding is a feature that allow a subclass to provide the implementation of a method that overrides in the main class. It will override the implementation in the superclass by providing the same method name, same parameter and same return type. Next class है, what is an interface? An interface is a collection of an abstract method. If the class implementation an interface, it thereby inherits all the abstract method of an interface. Second point है, Java uses interface to implement multiple inheritance. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग। An exception is an event that occurs during the execution of a program. Execution can be of any type: runtime exception, error exception. Those exceptions are adequately handled through exception on handling mechanism like try, catch and through keyword. Next question है what is method overriding? Method overriding is a features that allow a subclass to provide the implementation of a method that overrides in the main class. I will override the implementation in the superclass by providing the same method name, same parameter and same return type. What is interface? An interface is a collection of an abstract method. Is the class implementation and interface, it is thereby inherits all the abstract method of an interface. Second point is Java uses interface to implementation multiple inheritance. Next, what is exception handling? An exception is an event that occurs during the execution of a program. Exception can be any type: runtime exception, error exception. Those exceptions are adequately handled through exception handling mechanism like try, catch, and throw keyword. Next, what are token? A compiler recognizes token and it cannot be broken down into component elements. Keyword. Identifier contains string, literals and operators are example of token. Second point है even punctuation characters are also considered as token. Example brackets, comma, braces and parentheses. Next point है what is the main difference between overloading and overriding? Overloading is static binding whereas overriding is dynamic binding. Overloading is nothing but the same method with different arguments and it may or may not return the equal value in the same class itself. Overriding is the same method name with the same arguments and return type associated with the class and it's a child class. Next question is what is the main difference between class and object? An object is an instance of class. Object hold multiple information but class doesn't have any information. Definition of properties and function can be done in class and can be used by the object. A class can have subclass while an object doesn't have subclass. Okay friends, अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए और ऐसे ही वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल वेबटेक को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। थैंक यू।